Hello everyone and welcome back to Camera West TV. Today we're going to be unboxing the Q2 Ghost Edition camera. Let's get this thing open and take a look. All right, first off, trusty blade. I'm going to cut the seal right here. Oh, carefully anyways. There we go. It looks like they did an extra tape job here to fix the rip box. So this design actually pays tribute to a diving watch known as the Ghost Bezel. So it kind of matches the same color scheme here. And this design is brought to us by Hodinkee. Let's get this bad boy open. Standard Leica opening experience here with our camera right on top. We'll get to that here in just a second. Let's take a look at anything that might be included that's special. No. LFI. Nope, standard stuff in that one. Let's go ahead and get this guy out of the way. And here we do have power cables, so here we just have the standard BP SCL4. I think I got that right. That's the standard battery for the Leica SL and the Q2. What's in here? So this is a small bag with not much in it. Survey says. Some leather washers and looks like a tool to help put the strap on. That's new. I don't think I've seen that before. And here we probably have the front ring in case you wanted to take off the lens hood. Yep, sure do. And that's gonna give us a sneak peek of what we can expect for the actual color of the camera. Come on. And in here we have our power cables, our American and our European cable here. So in here we have our charger. Yes, this camera does still come with the charger. A lot of cameras are moving away from doing that. If I can open this stupid thing. Here we go. Just standard charger. So what's actually missing here is the strap, and it's supposed to be a special one. I'm wondering if it's going to be in the main box here. Let's take a look. Oh, bam. There we go. Strap is actually wrapped in with the camera. Let's have a look at the strap real quick. So it does come with a gray yarn woven carrying strap in the matching color of the camera. It's kind of like a slight gray if I had to guess. It looks really nice though. You got your leather pieces here and your typical rings. Set that aside. And we get to the camera. So let's get to the camera itself. This, like I said, this is the Q2 Ghost Edition from Hodinkee. This is limited to 2,000 pieces in this particular design. There is actually another slightly different design that's gonna be carried by Hodinkee themselves that is gonna have a Leica script on the top and actually come with a matching thumb support. So something really interesting to note here is the fact that while this is a limited edition, there is no premium for that. So this is actually the same price as a standard Q2. And I actually really like that. It kind of gives you some options. And you saw that with the Reporter as well, where it just came in at the normal price. So let's take a look at this camera here. Let's get rid of this box. As you can see here, it is a very different color scheme than the standard Q2. The one thing I do wish that they might have done is actually made this to match the camera. So it actually is gonna be a little bit off in terms of matching the bottom plate here. Granted, it is underneath, so you don't really notice it, but right away, this is a striking camera. It is just gorgeous. So like I was saying earlier, this is a Hodinkee edition camera. They actually did do another one before this, which was the M10P Ghost, which did come out in 2019. And this color scheme is actually very similar to what they did for that camera. So we do have a full grain cowhide that is gray in color. It does have a natural texture to it, and they do note that there is a special coating on it to kind of help protect it. So if you notice here, we actually don't have a Leica red dot on the front, which I kind of do like the fact that there's not one, because I feel like it would detract from the overall design of this camera. So I gotta say, I really do like this edition. This is a really beautiful edition of this camera. And there's actually another one that you should check out right here.